Hi everyone, welcome to this week's colouring club. I am really happy you are here, and today we are going to be colouring in one of our mandala designs from section 2, and it's going to be this one here. So there's quite a few different flowers in here, mostly the clematis, which is in the centre here, and then we have a few different types of clematis flowers around the edge here as well, and then we've got the dogwood in the background. Now the dogwood doesn't have the stripes on it, so I thought we could probably do a bit of shading ourselves for that one. So let's get colouring, everyone. So hi everyone, welcome. We're going to dive in with this lovely mandala design. So there are going to be quite a lot of colours I'm going to be using today. So I've kind of swatched out a few so far, but I have a feeling I might be using some more. So I'll make sure that I pop all of the colours that I do end up using in the description. So if you want to colour in this design using your own Staedtler pencils, you can follow along. So I'm going to get started with the big clematis here in the centre, and I'm just using this kind of mauvey blue colour that I've used before, and I am just going to use this colour for this flower, and I'm just going to use a bit of pressure around the edges where there might be some shadow, where the leaves or the petals overlap, and in the centre as well, so you can just kind of see how I'm approaching these particular petals. So I'm going to go all the way around with this little technique. This just shows you how you can create a really lovely effect in big petals like this, or big flowers in your colouring books, just using the one colour. So then I'll just dive into the other clematis flowers that are sitting behind this main one. And what I'll do, I'll put the names of the different clematis flowers in the description. So if you want to look them up on the internet and check your colours, you will find some different varieties. But these particular ones here, I'm colouring in with the yellow centre, and they are the ones that are generally in a kind of light pink colour. So I'll go around first of all and add the yellow to the centre of these, and we'll add the pink later on. So already adding another colour to the palette here. So these type of clematis flowers, they are actually white petalled, generally kind of white with a kind of hint of mauve, let's say, and they have the purple on the inside. So I'm going to go around and just colour in these ones with the purple and add that to the flowers too. So I'll go ahead and speed the film up here, and you'll just see me colour in the rest of the designs, and I'll come back when we get to the dogwood blossom round the edge. So here we are at the dogwood blossom, and I'm just going to use this pink just to colour in the actual petal itself in different kind of shades. And then dogwood blossom normally has kind of like a bit of a stripy kind of look to it, and I love to emphasise that. So as I'm going through the dogwood colouring, you can see that I'm going very lightly first of all, and then I'm just going with the same colour. I'm just going over and creating that lovely stripy effect that we know and love with this beautiful dogwood blossom. So to finish off this, finish off the flowers in the design, there are some dogwoods in the back here. So you can see I'm actually going in with a darker pink and going over now and actually emphasising that stripiness a lot more, kind of helping that design pop a little bit. And then that same pink, I'm going to go and actually colour in the little dogwood blossom in the background there, so they kind of really pop out and push the design forward as well, so it's not all kind of all the same pink. Then to finish this design off and really make the design pop out, I want to put a dark background on this. So I thought I'd grab my compass and draw a circle round the back, kind of to finish off this lovely botanical mandala. So the circle's drawn, and I'm going to add a lovely dark indigo to the background, and that will really help the design pop out. And to finish the design off, I'm going to add this green into the background here. Now this is the lighter of the two greens that I picked out, but actually I think as I'm colouring this, I'm thinking I'm actually going to go back over this with the darker green, and that will make the design look a lot richer. And anyway, I'll show you the finished double spread in a sec. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Here is the final spread. And in the video, I think I used a lighter green on the background and I went over with the darker green, which is the regular colour that I love to use. And here you can see the colours are pretty much, they're quite soft with this bluey colour here. And then obviously this clematis here is white with the purple in the centre, and the dogwood I went through and did the shading as well for the lines that you get in that beautiful blossom. So I hope you enjoyed this week's video. As usual, please add your comments and questions into the comments area. Okay, thanks everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.